Luxury truck shopping in 2026 is a financial trap. Dealers are selling $90,000 trucks that break down before you finish paying for them. I spent 3 months tracking repair bills and warranty claims on every luxury truck. What I found will shock you. One truck delivers real luxury without the headaches. 3 others look perfect, but cost a fortune to keep running. The worst one had engine failures in just 48 hours. If you're spending big money on a luxury truck, you need to know which one won't bankrupt you. Let's begin with Avoid List. Number 1. GMC Sierra Denali Ultimate, 2019 to 2024. The 48-hour engine destroyer. A 2024 Sierra Denali 6.2-liter owner reported having to take the truck in for an engine misfire after just 48 hours of ownership. After 3 weeks in the shop and 1 bank of lifters replaced, the problem remained unsolved. The dealer confirmed multiple trucks had arrived for the same reason. This is not an isolated anecdote. It represents a documented systemic failure affecting GM's most expensive trucks. But the 48-hour failure was just the beginning. What I discovered about the 6.2-liter engine will make you understand why mechanics refuse to work on them. The GMC Sierra 6.2-liter engine suffers from catastrophic lifter failures that destroy the entire engine. Sudden power loss and misfires are common, often due to collapsing lifters disrupting valve timing. Ticking or knocking noises are hallmarks of 6.2-liter engine lifter failure. Excessive oil consumption is linked to faulty active fuel management systems, particularly in 2019 to 2024 models. The lifters collapse, push rods bend, rocker arms break, and metal debris circulates through the oil system. In the worst cases, valves drop into cylinders and destroy pistons. Complete engine failure requiring full engine teardown costs $5,000 to $9,000. The engine failures are bad enough, but what GM did next proves they knew about this problem all along. This next revelation will make you furious. The corporate scam. General Motors recalled certain 2021 to 2024 Cadillac Escalades, Chevrolet Silverado 1500s, and GMC Sierra 1500s equipped with 6.2-liter V8 engines. The connecting rod and crankshaft engine components may have manufacturing defects that lead to engine damage and complete engine failure. Here's what makes this infuriating. GM knows exactly which engine serial numbers have defective lifters. They could issue a recall and proactively replace them. Instead, they're waiting for engines to fail and then fighting warranty claims. GM sells an AFM delete kit for $1,200. It completely eliminates the lifter failure problem, but they won't install it from the factory because that would admit the defect. The GMC Sierra 1500 Denali loses 42.1% of its value over 5 years. On a $95,000 Denali Ultimate, that's approximately $40,000 in depreciation before factoring any out-of-warranty engine repairs. If you think GM's engine scandal is bad, wait until you see what Toyota did to destroy 60 years of reputation in just 2 years. This next story proves no brand is safe. Toyota built 60-plus years of most reliable branding. In 2022, they bet it all on a brand-new twin-turbo V6 engine. The engine is destroying itself before 20,000 miles. This is the most dramatic fall from reliability grace in modern automotive history. Number 2, Toyota Tundra, 2022 to 2023, the reputation killer. Toyota recalled more than 100,000 current-generation Tundra pickups and Lexus LX SUVs because machining debris may be loose inside their engines. Toyota says the debris could lead to engine knock, rough running, no-start situations, and sudden loss of power while driving at higher speeds. In a failed 2023 Tundra V6 engine with only 38,000 miles, metal flakes were found in the oil pan. Several main bearings showed severe wear and heat damage. Some rod bearings appeared heavily worn for the mileage, but the machining debris was just part of the problem. What I'm about to show you proves Toyota's quality control completely collapsed. Engines failing before first oil change. One owner of a 2022 Toyota Tundra SR5 experienced total engine failure preceded by severe knocking at only 10,500 miles. The dealership said repair would take 10 weeks. A Lexus LX 600 owner experienced complete engine failure and was without their vehicle for over 150 days. The recall covers 2024 Lexus GX, 2022 to 2024 Tundras, and 2022 to 2024 Lexus LX models. In total, around 127,000 vehicles are recalled, with over 113,000 Tundras alone, and over 800 warranty claims already filed. What's even more concerning is how early failures appear, sometimes well before 20,000 miles. The 1794 edition buyers thought they were getting Toyota's premium luxury truck. Instead, they got something that will shock you when you see the financial damage. The 1794 edition is Toyota's luxury trim on the current Tundra, priced between $58,000 and $68,000 for 2022 to 2024 models. Buyers paid a premium specifically for Toyota's reputation. That reputation is the product's primary value proposition, and it has been fundamentally compromised. Based on the initial $74,230 MSRP of a 2022 Tundra Capstone, the truck depreciates around 14% over 3 years, remarkably low initially. However, this was measured before the full scale of the recall became public. As recall reputation damage spreads, expect depreciation rates to worsen dramatically on 2022 to 2023 non-hybrid models. Toyota's engine disaster is shocking, but the third truck I'm about to show you proves that beautiful interiors can't hide electrical nightmares that will leave you stranded. Ram built the most luxurious truck interior in America. Buyers walked into showrooms, sat on $60,000 seats, and immediately forgot to ask about the electrical system. What follows is one of the longest strings of electrical complaints in modern truck history. Number 3. Ram 1500 Limited Longhorn, 2019 to 2022. The beautiful electrical disaster. The 2021 Ram 1500 has 104 NHTSA complaints for electrical system failures alone. Owners report vehicles that stall and engines that shut down unpredictably. Brake and high-pressure fuel pump failures are common, along with electrical system malfunctions. One incident described the vehicle stopping unexpectedly at highway speeds, causing the auto parking brake to engage, the engine to shut down, and all steering to be lost, causing the vehicle to skid off the roadway. But the highway failures aren't the worst part. What I discovered about a simple taillight will show you how a $3 part can make your $60,000 truck completely undrivable. The water intrusion chain reaction. Here's the insidious part. A leaking third brake light on a luxury truck can cascade into complete vehicle failure. One owner reported that an RF hub, responsible for recognizing the key fob and enabling the vehicle to start, was corroded due to water leaking through the third brake light. The dealer determined the rear windshield, third brake light, and RF hub module all needed replacement. A leaking $3 rubber seal can make your $60,000 truck undrivable. Close to one-third of NHTSA complaints for the 2025 Ram 1500 involve electrical system failures. About 44% also relate to engine problems. Many electrical complaints involve battery failures, with new trucks dying within a few hundred miles of purchase. The electrical failures are destroying Ram's reputation, but what they're doing to owners' bank accounts is even worse. This depreciation data will shock you. The Ram 1500 Limited loses 42.8% of its value over 5 years, one of the steepest depreciation curves in the luxury truck segment. On a $65,000 Limited, that's approximately $27,800 lost in 5 years. A typical Ram 1500 loses roughly $32,829 of its initial value over its first 5 years, accounting for 46% of total 5-year operating expenses. The luxurious Ram Limited boasts premium leather seats, real wood trim, and an available 19-speaker audio system. But if your $60,000 truck's 12-inch instrument cluster goes blank while driving at highway speed, the premium leather seats become irrelevant. Now that you've seen how these 3 trucks will bankrupt you, let me show you the one luxury truck that actually protects your investment. This next truck avoids every single failure point I just exposed. Real luxury without the bankruptcy. Built on America's most proven truck platform, avoids every failure point that destroys the competition. Ford F-150 King Ranch 2021 to 2023. The Ford F-150 King Ranch sits at the sweet spot between genuine luxury and proven reliability. The 2021 F-150 was a ground-up redesign with new interior architecture, new infotainment, and new powertrain lineup. The King Ranch trim avoids the premium price trap of the Limited while delivering nearly identical real-world luxury. It offers premium leather, advanced driver aids, heated ventilated seats, Bang & Olufsen audio, and Ford's Pro Power onboard generator. These are real luxury features at a price $5,000 to $8,000 below the Limited trim. But luxury features don't matter if the truck isn't reliable. What I'm about to show you proves this truck has the data to back up its reputation. The F-150 is one of the more affordably priced pickup trucks in its segment, with owners frequently reporting it lasting 2 and beyond 200,000 miles. The 2017 and 2022 Ford F-150 have some of the highest quality and reliability scores from J.D. Power. RepairPal scores the F-150 at 3.5 out of 5.0 for reliability, with an estimated annual repair cost of $788, ranking it 7th among full-size trucks. The F-150's unmatched parts availability, as America's best-selling vehicle for 47 consecutive years, means mechanics can source parts faster and cheaper than any competitor. The reliability data is impressive, but the real proof comes from the people who actually depend on these trucks to make money. This next fact will surprise you. The fleet reputation proof. Ford F-150 dominates fleet sales. Fleet operators care about downtime and repair costs, not marketing. The F-150's fleet dominance is the most honest endorsement possible. The F-150 and Silverado maintain similar depreciation curves, losing approximately 30 to 32% over 5 years, dramatically better than Ram's steeper luxury trim depreciation. Go with the 2021 to 2023 King Ranch with the 3.5-liter PowerBoost hybrid or 5.0-liter V8. The PowerBoost delivers up to 700 pound-feet of torque and class-leading fuel economy. The 5 V8 offers simplicity and proven durability. The numbers prove the King Ranch is the smart choice, but let me show you exactly what this means for your bank account over 5 years, compared to the disasters I exposed earlier. The bottom-line financial reality. The King Ranch avoids the $8,000 lifter failures, destroying $95,000 GMC Denali Ultimates at 48,000 miles. It avoids the engine recalls that killed Toyota's bulletproof reputation. And it avoids the electrical nightmares that make beautiful Ram Limiteds undrivable because of leaking taillights. The 3 trucks I warned you about will cost you $5,000 to $10,000 in catastrophic repairs before 100,000 miles, plus depreciation rates that destroy 40 to 45% of their value in 5 years. The F-150 King Ranch gives you genuine luxury with the reliability and parts availability of America's best-selling truck. Your mechanic has the part in stock tomorrow morning. Your wallet will thank you at 200,000 miles when the other trucks are on their second major engine rebuild. Now that you know which luxury truck won't drain your wallet, you might be thinking about buying used instead of new. Smart move. But here's what most people don't realize. There are only 10 used trucks that are actually reliable enough to trust with your money. So check out this video where I show you the only 10 reliable used trucks you could ever buy in 2026 and how to find them before they're gone.